In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Monday.com. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll have Google Drive working hand in hand with your Monday.com board, saving you time and keeping your files exactly where your team needs them. This integration is great for automatically storing attachments in Drive, creating folders when work moves forward, or pulling Drive files directly into your items for a single source of truth. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and heading to your trial management board. This is the board where you want Drive to sync or store files. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to find it quickly. It helps to make sure you have the right permissions on this board. Being a board owner or editor ensures you can set up and manage integrations without hitting a wall later. Once you're on the board, look toward the top of the screen for the Integrate button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as an integrations option with a puzzle piece icon. Click it to open the Integration Center. This is the hub where Monday.com connects with your favorite tools, and it's where you'll set up automations that connect actions on your board with activity in Google Drive. Inside the Integration Center, search for Google Drive and select it. You'll see a gallery of templates, often called recipes. Each template describes a specific workflow in plain English, such as creating a Drive folder when a status changes, saving attachments from an item into a specific Drive folder, or creating an item in Monday.com when a file is added to a Drive folder. Choose the template that best matches how you want files to move between Monday.com and Drive. After you click a template, Monday.com will walk you through a quick setup. If prompted, connect your Google account and grant permissions so Monday.com can access the correct files and folders. Pick the drive or shared drive you use, select the folder path, and map any fields the template asks for, like which status column will trigger a folder creation or which file column should be saved to Drive. Keep an eye on ownership and access. Using a team-managed Google account for the connection helps avoid disruptions if someone leaves your organization. Also, confirm you have access to the target folder, especially if it's on a shared drive. When you're done, save the template. A quick test, like changing a status or attaching a sample file, will confirm everything is working. That's it. You've connected Google Drive to your Monday.com board and streamlined your file management.